So let's start. Hello to everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm Zarina. I'm working in the education department of K2 Partnering Solutions. Today I will give you an overview about RPA and RPA market, and we will understand the fundamental role that humans will play in the future of work. So if you have any question, please click on the hand of the right of the panel or type in the chat. At the end of the presentation, I will answer to your question or comments. If you have any feedback, I'm here to listen. So let's start. Let me explain who we are. So K2 Partnering Solutions is a leader in consultative technology solutions. We are represented by these three pillars. The first one represents the core business of K2 Partnering Solutions and our recruitment services. So then we have K2 Connect, that is our human cloud community platform for our elite consultants. Then we have K2 University, the department I work for, established as a result of the high demand of skilled professionals in the market. That's why we decided to set up some partnership. So at the beginning with SAP, then Salesforce, now RPA with Automation Anywhere, and also cybersecurity. K2 Connect, as I told you, is our human cloud community platform that links education to our core business, the recruitment services that we have been providing for more than 20 years. Here, consultants can interact with recruiters, be added to specific groups that are useful for their trainings, promote their profile, participate in loyalty reward programs, a lot of other things. It is growing year by year, and recently consultants can see also directly the open position that our clients post. It's becoming a real marketplace. So as we are experiencing, the world is continuously evolving. People are becoming more and more curious. They have the knowledge and the tools to obtain this knowledge. They are looking always for living a better life. That's why we are living in the we're experiencing the fourth industrial revolution, in which intelligence and robotics are playing an important role, and they are hot topics at the moment. So first of all, what is RPA? RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. It refers to software programs that can free employees from repetitive and manual tasks. Imagine just a simple data entry. So these employees can focus on more important work, high value work. Robots are already among us. It's not the future, it's the present. So we are not speaking about something that is in the future. Robots are here, and there are people that are also concerned about the always increasing importance of robotics. But artificial intelligence and robotics will not replace any job, as they will just change the way some people are working, but will add also new and more diversified jobs. So let's start to see which are the main differences between a robot and a human being. So the robot is made to perform some specific task, while the person does a varied type of task during the day, during its work. That's why the tasks of the robot are repetitive, are always the same, because they are programmed to do only this, while the person can do a lot of things during the day. It's very creative, and because it's emotion based, while the robot is database. So we can predict the movements, the activities of a robot, while we cannot predict the movement and activities of a human being, because it can improvise. So the interaction only creates a better, greater value for the company. It's not true that robots will replace human, because they are not made to do some activities that only the human can do. So we have heard a lot of times about the concern that people have about the robots, what would have occurred with the advent of digitalization, but this is not the case, not like this. Industries and advantages. So here you can have an overview of the most important industries that are already adopting RPA. So let's start from sales and marketing. Sales and marketing, just imagine an email notification when there is the best price, the super discounted price, and now is the right moment to buy. So RPA is able to do this, to notify you, and you are prepared to buy, and so to take advantage of this very low price. Or you can track competitors, you can track also the new entrants that are in your market. You can monitor social media. But I think the most important sector, the most important industry that experienced this digital transformation is banking sector. Or why? They have been working a lot on the to minimize the manual processing of huge data that banks and financial institutions always have to consider when performing their activities. So several processes in the banks have been automated, like accounts payable, report automation, compliance, credit card processing, this type of things. Customer service, I think we already have experienced this important feature of RPA. Just imagine the chat box where there are a lot of e-commerce shops, a lot of companies that are providing 24-hour support for everybody. So just imagine this, how a robot can provide accurate answers to a lot of customer questions. Recruitment services, so we are adopting it a lot because of the data entry, as I told you, to minimize the time we are spending on this, and to let us focus on more valuable thing. On the retail part, people are using it to simplify invoicing, price comparison, to compare prices among suppliers, data analytics, and do everything in a efficient way and without errors. That is the most important thing. In fact, also internal processes can be improved. Back office benefits from this fast data entry and without errors. So here you can have an overview about the evolution of intelligence automation. So the process is this one. First, we start teaching the robot how, with codes, optical character recognition, web data extraction, and record command. In this phase, the robot is programmed for the other phases. In fact, the second phase is learning. Why? The robot is able to learn because he has already a learning base that we programmed at the beginning. So it is able to recognize some pattern and structured data. Then there is the most important phase, it is the third phase, where once learned, the robot is able to perform some activities. With artificial intelligence, also the complex task could be performed. So we are speaking about machine learning, predictive analytics that uses historical data to predict also future events. Natural language processing, that is a branch of artificial intelligence, and deals with the interaction between computers and human using the natural language. So the objective of this is to read, understand, make sense of the human languages in a manner that is available. So you are the answer. This is what companies want. In fact, we are living in a world where digital transformation is always becoming more important. Companies are adopting it a lot. Every companies want to be more efficient, more productive, save costs, save time, and that's what they are looking for. RPA skills are very demanded by the market, and it's as I told you, it's not something that we are speaking regarding to the future. It's something that it happens now. Just imagine, people are very concerned about robots, but we are living every day in our lives. We are using robots to facilitate our life, to simplify the activities that we have to do. Just imagine um, the robots that we are losing, like a washing machine, a dishwasher, the Roomba, um, the kitchen robots that now are very popular. Everything is made to simplify our lives. And imagine for companies what it means for companies that have a lot of things to do, a lot of data, a lot of employees that everybody does mistakes. So a robot is not so expensive, it's very fast, does doesn't make errors, and it's programmed to do this, so they can rely on that. So just to give you some market information, RPA is the fastest growing software, and last year in 2018 the growth rate was of 63%. They are predicting, market analysts, that it will create 6.7 trillion by 2025. So there it's growing a lot, and companies are aware of that, are implementing, everybody's implementing it. They are seeing a return on investment of from 30 to 200%. So imagine what does it mean for a company. So this is the solution, growing your RPA skills, and don't stay behind. The time is now. Why the time is now? Because now it's important. Also in the future it will be. Of course, now there are in the future will be more competitiveness. Now okay, people are aware of RPA, but not everybody, maybe somebody is scared about that, because doesn't trust a lot of on this, but now is the right moment to succeed in the future, So why companies are adopting it, as I told you, reduce costs, deliver us a better customer experience, as we are living always more in a world where the customer is in the center of the world. So we want to be satisfied. We want to have everything, and now it's the right moment. So just to let you know, there are a lot of customers that are already using RPA. Here I have put some big companies, Unilever, Google, Siemens, Cisco, Dell, but there are also middle-sized companies that are using it. We are speaking about more than 3,000 customers in more than 90 countries. So the potential of this market is very big. So here you can contact me, of course, for any question. I just wanted to let you know that we are, as I told you, we established some partnership with the most emergent technologies that are SAP, Salesforce, now RPA with Automation Anywhere. We are using their platform because we are seeing the market that demand is very high. That's why we are starting to offer our training. in this case about mastering bots. It's for everybody. It's not too much technical, so everybody can do it. The next dates are these: 21st, 25th October, 25th, 29th October. So, Cage University is delivering the MasterBots courses to let you reach an RPA certification, because this is important for us that you get certified. It's an online course in English and gives an understanding of the Automation Anywhere platform, one of the leaders in RPA market. These are the next courses, as I told you. We are giving you ongoing support through the entire process. We are here to support you to improve your skills and let you aspire for a better also project, a better job opportunity, to be in line with the market needs. So, as I told you, can contact me per email. I'm also in LinkedIn. You can search for my name. And I will also, I'm recording this session, so I will share with you in YouTube. You can see also there. Now, if you have any question, I'm here to answer to you. If anybody has questions, just there is a hand on your panel, or just type. I would be very happy to sorry to speak with you, to understand what do you think about that. I just wanted to give you a market overview because this sector is growing a lot. So, okay, perfect. I see that there are no questions, but of course, if you have any doubt, any comment, any feedback, you can reach me per email. Nothing. Thank you very much for your time. I would be available for any question, and thank you for joining this webinar. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.